Kwa-Legend Extra Lessons tinowanika pa 1779 Kurobra North Phase 3 in Harare. For more information, fonera Legend pa namba dzinoti 0714 375 545 kana pa 0783 574 546. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and today we are going to learn surds. We are going to discuss surds, mathematics, surds. Alright? A surd is any rational number that can recur square roots, cube roots, irrational square roots and cube roots, fourth roots, etc. are called surds. So today we are going to learn how to simplify surds, how to add or subtract surds, how to multiply surds. Alright? This, by the end of this lesson, we must be able to add or subtract surds, to simplify surds, and to multiply surds. So let's start by simplifying surds. Let's start by simplifying surds. A question will come asking us to simplify the following. Simplify. Alright? Simplify square root of 20. Square root of 20. Alright? Square root of 20. 20 doesn't have a square root, but it needs to be simplified in its simplest form. Alright? It needs to be simplified. So firstly, we need to know the factors of 20. That's the first step. We need to know the factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, and 10 are the factors of 20. After knowing the factors of 20, we must be able to know the perfect square which enters into 20 and does not leave a remainder. So, pama factors edu ipa panofanira pane a perfect square. A perfect square, it is that number which have a square root. That one is called a perfect square. So, pama factors edu atikuenda atawana isusu. A perfect square yatinayo is 1 only, which is 4. So we are going to expand this one, and it becomes the square root of 4 times 5. If you see this expansion, 4 times 5, the answer is 20. But now we need to expand it with a perfect square so that we can expand it to root of 4 times root of 5. This expansion and this expansion are the same, but we need to make it clear kuti zvinozobva kupi uye zvichizoenda kupi kusvika taisimplify kusvika yaenda pa its lowest term, right? So after expanding to this stage, we need to calculate the square root of 4. Everyone knows the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by root 5. So kana method yedu yadai, so we need to write it as following: 2 root 5. This is our final answer. So this one and this one is the same, but this one is a simplified mathematics. It is now a simplified problem. So many questions comes like that. Many irrational numbers comes in their square root, and the examiner needed to simplify those irrational numbers in their simplest form. We just need to know the factors of the number which is inside the square root sign. After know the factors, we must be able to nominate the perfect square, and then after that we multiply a perfect square with another number which must give us the value of that number. For example, in this one taona kuti perfect square yedu ndi 4, and then which number yatinokwanisa kuti multiply nayo na 4 kuti tiwane 20, and then we find it kuti ndi 5. So we just say 4 multiplied by 5 for us to get 20, and then after that we say root of 4 multiplied by root of 5. Then after that, root of 4 tinenge tinayi, it is 2. 2 multiplied by root of 5, we get 2 root 5. This is the simplification of irrational numbers. Let us do example number 2. Example number 2 is saying simplify simplify root of 50. Root of 50. Root of 50. Root of 50. We do have many factors which end as 50 and does not leave a remainder. But our perfect square there is very, very simple. Our perfect square is 25. Our perfect square is 25. So we need to multiply our perfect square 25 multiplied by 2. 25 multiplied by 2. And then after that, 25 multiplied by 2, the answer is 50. So we are going to say root of 25 times root of 2. Root of 2. Sorry, root of 2. So root of 25 is 5 times root 2. And then root of 5 root 2 is our final answer. 5 root 2 is our final answer. 5 root 2 is our final answer. So this is how we simplify surds to their simplest form. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.
Kwa Legend Extra Lessons tinowanika pa 1779 Kurobra North Phase 3 in Harare. For more information, fonera Legend pa namba dzinoti 0714 375 545 kana pa 0783 574 546. Thank you.